Monkey.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of When We're How Red Lip Fashion with me, your host Tiffany, and I'm back with another drink edition, another drink video of Always Bring a Bottle drink edition. So it's the holidays and I felt like being a little festive, so I was thinking of trying to come up with a drink like, you know, not a typical cranberry drink, but something with mixing cranberry and some Maker's Mark, because I felt like opening my Maker's Mark my Maker's Mark bottle, because I just felt like drinking that. So I was like, what can I do with this? Like, what can I do? So I decided I'm gonna show you this drink that I made that I thought was really delicious one random evening. So what I'm using is, I'm using my Maker's Mark, I'm using ginger ale, I'm using cranberry juice that I have here, and I'm using a little bit of lemon juice, and I'm going to use fresh cranberries, and that's just for garnish, that's just to look cute. So I'm using fresh cranberries, okay? So I went ahead and I put some ice in my glass here. So what you're gonna do is, and remember, everything is to taste. So however much you want to use is however much you can use. When it comes to drinking, I don't like to measure, I don't like to give limitations. You just put as much as you feel like you can handle and what you want to drink. So what I'm doing is, I'm going ahead and I am pouring in my Maker's Mark. So do I feel like being good, or I feel like having a good time? I feel like having a good night, right? So pour some Maker's Mark in there. I'm going to go ahead and pour my lemon juice in there. So, and remember, you use as much as you want, but I'm gonna use most of my drink, I'm gonna use as the cranberry, and I just wanna top it off with the ginger ale just to give it that little fizz, right? So I'm gonna top it with my ginger ale, just to give it some bubbles and a little fizz. And then I'm going to use a few of my cranberries to just throw them in there, we lost one, just to make it look cute. So that people could be like, ooh, what you drinking? That looks fancy, right? Just top it off. And we'll just add a little decorative guy in here just to be fancy. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What are we gonna name it? The cran maker? The cran maker. Ooh, I like that. Here you go, the cran maker. My very own fun little drink with ginger ale, cranberry juice, a little bit of lemon juice, and good old Maker's Mark whiskey, okay? Let's taste it. Oh yeah, that's good. Guys, you gotta try this. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you try this drink. It's really good. So easy, really quick. You can make this if you're having a guest over. Hey, what you want? Oh, let me just throw something. Let me just show you what I mean, okay? Try this. Bye, guys. See you next time.